I'm currently, it's still end of day 3, and I am waiting for, I'm exporting my vlog video so that I can upload it, and now I'm hungry. So what am I having? I'm gonna have my soaked rolled oats and my chia seeds with my banana. Look, it's soaked, but it's better when it's soaked overnight, to TBH. But because I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat it now. I'm gonna add banana. I might add some cashews to it as well. What's my verdict? It's yum. With a bit of watermelon. Day 4. Just uploaded the devotion to the Project 419 Daily Bread. I woke up early this morning again to take Mum to work. Now I'm gonna go and get ready for work. Have some breakfast. Oh. No, I'm just gonna drink something because today is worship team fasting day. Whoop whoop. It's Friday. It's not freezing. Yesterday was freezing. It's going to be a good day today. Guess what though? After I uploaded my vlog yesterday, last night, and after I was talking about, you know, feeling motivated and feeling and grateful for willpower, and then I go and eat 2 tuna sandwiches, French stick, and my overnight oats because I was hungry. Well, at least it's better than what I would usually do. If I'm hungry, I just like drive up to Macca's or Hungry Jack's. Really bad habits. Anyways, it's going to be an awesome day today. Day 4, I'm on my way to work. It was a good morning. I didn't have breakfast because today, Fridays are worship team fasting days, and I'm on worship this week. So I made me a shake because I needed, you know, I need some energy to start the morning. So here's my shake. Do not try this at home, my illegal driving. What's in my shake? I have chia seeds, banana, rolled oats, watermelon, a bit of apple, and some almonds. I'm gonna drink that this morning. Get some energy. I'm at work. Looks like it's gonna rain. After work, did clothes shopping. Haven't been home since. Look, it's nearly dark, for crying out loud. Still haven't been home to sit down properly. And now we're just gonna finish off our shopping, open our fast later on. I'm feeling hungry. Temptation of doom today. I was giving out a whole basket load of chocolate, bro, but I wasn't tempted, but I was just like, seriously. But it was how's Miracle feeling right now? Feeling tired. Opening our fast to a sushi, and I've got Myzone water, blackberry flavor. So this vlog isn't that long. We're on our way home now, and it's not too nippy. It's
not really
evening.
nippy.
Oh, you've got this one. Alright, I'm having dinner now. A French stick and tuna, spinach, and brown rice. I put my soaked overnight rolled oats and chia seeds back in my container in the fridge. I remade them to have more breakfast tomorrow when we come back from the mountain. Not much happened today in this vlog. Like, a lot did happen, but I'm just really, really tired. I just need some rest. But I'm gonna edit today's vlog and upload it, ready to be posted up tomorrow. And then I just got a couple of emails that I need to send out next week. But anyways, I'm excited for our walk tomorrow to Mount Keitha. And then we've got worship practice. And then we've got the renewal of vows / 60th birthday. Okay, we're gonna end today's vlog. End day 4 with good vibes, even though I'm not feeling it up here. Practice for worship to get in the zone. Remember, you're the hero in the mirror. Thanks for watching. Good vibes for the weekend to fill your heart, your life, your mind.